Hello everyone, my name is Tseho and I want to share with you how to get a profile on Alcoin Trader, get a profile on local Bitcoin, and then buy Bitcoins on Alcoin Trader, take them to local Bitcoins and make a payment. First of all, as a new person that does not have a profile on Alcoin Trader, you click register. And these are the information that will come. You'll put in your username that you usually log in with, your email address, preferably use Gmail or the one that is linked to your cell phone. The password there must be 8 characters and there must be a capital letter and numbers or whatever that you feel free with. You repeat the password and you put in this unique code and then you accept and you register. When you register successfully, you have to go to your email address that you have put in here. You have to click that link, and after clicking that link, you'll be confirming your profile on Alcoin Trader. Then you'll be fine. Then you can log in to your profile after you verified that email. You put in your email address, like I'm putting my email address now. Then I log in to Container, and then from there, for me to be able to deposit funds, you go to deposit funds. This is the account number of Alcoin Trader. You can choose to use FNB or ABSA, and this reference number is the unique code that is specifically for me, which is for Tseho. Now every time I go to deposit money to Alcoin Trader, I use this reference with this bank account number, and the profile will be credited with the amount. In this case, today I deposited an amount of 1,250. So the bank charges of 30 rand were deducted, so it's 1,220. So now I want to purchase Bitcoins for me to be able to pay my MMM order. So on this thing that I want to do, I deposited, you wait about 3 hours, you see the crediting of the profile, and then from there now I'm going to enter trade. You click trade, and then this is the page where you click trade. Then from there you will be buying Bitcoins. You'll be buying Bitcoins. I'm not sure if this will work. You'll be buying Bitcoins. Now I focus on how much I have. I've got 1,020. 1,122 0.61. Yeah? 122 0.61, which is I want to buy Bitcoins. The amount of Bitcoin is 10,244 each. Ne? So because I've only deposited 1,220, I'm going to do fractions. Ne? Now I'm just going to make assumptions here. The amount of Bitcoins that I want to buy, it's like an example of 0.1. You look at this price. This will tell you how much you're going to pay. And the fee is this one for Alcoin Trader for making a purchase. So I'm going to change here. It's 0.2. It's more. You see, it's more. Now I'm saying 1.9. It's more. Less. It's 8. Still more. I need to reduce it to the money that I have on the profile for me to be able to buy Bitcoins. So let's change again to 3. It's still more. 2. You see, now this amount is the same. No, actually I need to reduce. Let's make it 1.9. Beautiful. Now with this I will be able to buy. No, is it? No. 8. 7. 4, 3, 2. All right, you see, now I will be able to buy my Bitcoins with this. Ne? Perfect. So you see now, I've got 1,220.61, and then I'll be able to buy 0,11914. I get. Then when you look at here, you will see that I've got 1,220. Then I will buy the 0,11914. Immediately I press the buy button, you will see that there will be bitcoins here. You see, at the moment I don't have any bitcoins. Basically I don't have nothing. Okay, so I've paid 1.2. I want to purchase bitcoins. Now I click buy bitcoins. It asks you a question, whether are you sure that you want to buy bitcoins at the price of 10,2449, and then I say yes. Immediately you do that, it says order placed. Then you look at the upper part of your profile. You see that I've got 4 cents, and then I'll wait for my profile to be credited here with 0,119 BTC, of which as soon as I'm able to do that, then I will be able to make payments. Then from there, I'll be taking the money to the local bitcoins. When you want to take money from here, you'll be saying withdraw funds. When you withdraw funds, then you go to withdraw BTC, which will be controlled by what you have on the profile. Then you go to withdraw BTC, which is here. Like this, really. You go to withdraw BTC, and then you're going to put the Bitcoin address. This is what we call a Bitcoin address. Remember, this is the Bitcoin address, which we will be able to use to make a withdrawal. So this is my Altcoin Trader profile, basically. This is the Altcoin Trader profile. With the Altcoin Trader profile, I will be able to take the money from my Altcoin Trade profile to take it here to, I'll take it from, actually, no, sorry. I'll take it from local bitcoins. Where is it now? It disappeared. Oh, here it is. I'll take it from Altcoin Trader and take it to local bitcoins. So I've got 2 profiles. The reason why I'm saying we should use Altcoin Trader to buy profiles because it's the safest website to buy bitcoins. And the local bitcoins is cheaper. Yet with Altcoin Trader, it's expensive to make payments. So with local bitcoins, you know for a fact that you will be making payments at a cheaper rate, and they also appear at that person at a faster rate. So it is just that right now my BTC has not yet appeared on my profile. So at the end of the day, I am not able to make my payments on MMM. So on MMM, I'm having these profiles that I need to make payments of. These are the profiles that I need to make payments of. And then as soon as my account is created with bitcoins, I will be able to pay for this profile. And this is what you do when you create the profile of MMM. You look at that, it's saying you have to pay, you pay 0.010310001 BTC to this particular Bitcoin address. You just copy that, and then you go to your local bitcoins as soon as you have made all those transfer from altcoin to local bitcoins. And then from there, now this is where you send bitcoins. You paste that Bitcoin address that we saw that side, and then you also go back again to MMM to copy the exact BTC amount, which is this. You copy it and you paste it here on your amount in bitcoins. Then you put it here. Just ensure that you remove the comma and you put a dot there, because when it's like this, you are unable to make a payment. And then you put in the password that you log in with on local bitcoins. And then another point that we need to make to be aware of is that you cannot log into your local Bitcoin profile if you're using a different gadget. Like if you're saying, Tejo, please help me out to make a payment, I won't be able to assist you. Only the gadgets that you always log in with, you'll be able to make payments from there. Basically, guys, that's how simple it is. And then after you put in the password, you just click send money. It's sent from the wallet. It sends from me. Then it will immediately credit the profile that we're sending to. And like it's just that right now, I'm not having enough Bitcoins to make that payment. If I had, then I was going to make it practical to show you. And then immediately when you make a payment, it lessens here the BTCs that you have. So it's as simple as that. And then the proof of payment, it's very simple. You just take your phone and then you take a pic of the payment, because after you make a payment, it will show you that Bitcoins were sent successfully. Usually it appears here, or if it has already disappeared, these are the transactions that I usually do from my profile. So it shows you how these are the fees that they charge. And then you see, I've sent money to this address, I've sent here, I've sent here. This is actually what I usually use for my payments. So basically, guys, I just wanted to share with you that it's simple to do Bitcoins. You need a profile on Altcoin Trader, make a payment, and then buy Bitcoins. After you buy Bitcoins, you make a payment, you take the money from Altcoin Trader, you take it to your local Bitcoins where you'll be making payments at a lesser price. You go to your MMM profile, you copy the Bitcoin address, you go to local Bitcoins, you go to local Bitcoins, you paste it here, which is this one. You go to your MMM profile again, you copy the amount in BTC again, then you get here, you paste it, you remove the comma that was here, you make sure that it's a full stop, you put in the password that you log in with when you get into the profile of local Bitcoin, then you press send from wallet. And immediately after you do that, it will say here, send money sent to 1 CJ wara this Bitcoin address successfully. So that's how simple it is. Take a picture of this thing, attach it as your proof of payment on your MMM profile, and then voila, you're done, you're fine. And then you just wait for the recipient to confirm the order. So basically, guys, that's how simple it is. So with these orders of Bitcoins, the challenge is that the Bitcoins comes out faster and the hours are lesser. So actually, I only saw these orders in the morning. It was about 33 hours, and now it's left with 17 hours. Basically, guys, that's how simple it is. And then you'll be able to wait 30 days for your money to be green, which is available for withdrawal. Unlike with the orders of the ZAR, we've been waiting forever and we're unable to access them. Alright, guys, I hope that you understood it. Did you get it? www.altcointrader.co.za. Register, confirm on your email, and make sure that you have a profile. Deposit money, buy Bitcoins, take the money from Altcoin Trader, take it to local Bitcoins where you have a profile also. Register, confirm ka email, and then you make your payments. Do an order more MMM ka Bitcoins, preferably 100 Rand. Then make your payment. Your money will be frozen for 30 days, and then you're able to spend the money. Guys, that's basically summary of how to pay payments. It's just that the profile is not yet credited for me to make a practical example. So basically, guys, I hope you understand. You can see that my profile is still not credited with the Bitcoins, but I'll check during the course of the night. I hope this is useful to you. That's me, Tejo, signing out. Together we can change the world. Thank you. Bye.